There are several ways you can prepare your egusi soup, and this is one of the best way you can ever imagine. Why not sit down and let me teach you how I made the egusi soup I learned when I visited Osun State in 2016. I bet you haven't seen this method before. First, prepare all you intend to cook with. You can check the video description for more understanding on the ingredients I use and the measurements. So light your stove, let's prepare the proteins. It depends on your choice of protein, but for this recipe, we're going to be cooking all the proteins at once. From the goat meat down to the stockfish, just put everything in the pot. Add your onions, equally add curry and seasoning. Sprinkle a little water, mix well and cover for it to cook for about 10 minutes. Proceed to make your egusi paste by adding blended onions and salt into the grounded egusi. Mix and set aside. Now pour your palm oil into the pot and start putting the egusi paste into it in batches, just like the way you're seeing in the video. And within a minute, you should start mixing the egusi with the oil so that it doesn't get burnt. This is the time you pour in your boiled protein. Add your grated pepper and mix. Equally pour in water according to the consistency you want your egusi to be. I'm sticking to the thickness just like the way I've learnt it. So cover and let it cook for some minutes. You will notice that we've not added seasoning. That's because seasoning from the protein we boiled in some cases should be enough. But if not, seasoning should be the last ingredient you put. Add your crayfish, mix and check the taste before adding seasoning if required. After 3 to 4 minutes, now add your vegetable and mix very well. Put it down after a minute and serve with your preferred swallow. I had mine with eba. If you've learned one or two methods from this video, please do not forget to give me a thumb up. You can equally let me know your view in the comment section. And hey, do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.